Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope you are doing great and enjoying the blessings of life. I am here to share with you the crochet rose flower pattern. So let's get started. I am going to make the first stitch, the very basic stitch. Now you can see very closely that I have made a loop and pass into the loop. Same as make a loop and pass into the hole. Again loop and pass into the hole. The process is going to be the same. As you can see, now you can see I have made a foundation chain of 17 stitches, 70 stitches. Now I am going to skip 1 and 2 and move into the next stitch. Now you can see I have made a small hole. Now see closely, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4, and by skipping the 4 chains from the below chains, the foundation chains, make a single crochet. A very big hole as compared to the first one. Look at this. Again chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again make single crochet, passing the 2 into 1. Now the second hole is ready. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. This is the third, we can say, the big hole. Again make a single crochet. Look at this, the 3 big holes. Again chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. Now you can see this, the process is going to be the same in the whole foundation chain. Now you can see that I have complete on the whole foundation chain, and the last one stitch that I am going to make is again I am going to end the stitches by making a single crochet. Now you can see every hole is made so perfectly. Now turn the loop and make a chain. Again yarn over and insert into the loop. And make a double crochet. Like you can see, there are 3 chains on the hook. Pass 2 into 1, again 2 into 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Again double crochet you have to make, 2 into 1, again 2 into 1. I have made the 2 double crochet. Again the third one double crochet, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1, 3 double crochet this time. This one is 4 double crochet, 5, and you have to just make this time just a single crochet by ending this petal, this portion of the petal, like you can see the petal. So I have made a 5 double crochet in the very first petal. Now again I am going to make second petal by the same process as I have did in the first portion. In the second petal I am going to make the 5 double crochet. I am going to again make the double crochet. This one is the second, and the third one, this one is the third one. 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. Again this one is 4. This one is the 5. Now I am going to make a single crochet to end this petal. Now the second petal is going to be completed. As you can see, the shape of the petal is like the curve shape, like you can see. Now I am going to make the third petal. Chain 1, like this is the first double crochet, second double crochet, and this one is the third double crochet, four, and this one is the 5. This time I have increased one more double crochet to increase the size of the petal. Like you can see, the third one is bigger as compared to the first two petals. Now you can see that I have completed on the whole foundation chain the petals that I have made. From the third one I have increased one more double crochet, like in the first two I am going to make two. I have made the 5 double crochet, but in the third one I have increased one more double crochet. This one is just the last portion that I am going to make. In the last 3 sections, I have increased one more double crochet to increase the size of the petals as compared to the previous ones. Like in the first two, I have made the 5 double crochet. From the third onward, I have made the 6 double crochet, and from the last 3 to 4 petals, I have increased one more double crochet, like 7 double crochet I have made. Now it's time to cut the end, like as you can see, like how I am going to fix the end. You have to do this in the same very manner. Now you can cut the yarn, as you can see. Now you can adjust the size of the petal from your hand, like as it is. I am going to do this. You can note one thing in the whole section, that from the foundation chain that was very straight, and when it is completed, like your shape is like the curl, the shape is like a curl. So that is due to the filling of the petals. Now it's time to roll up the flower. Like you can see very briefly that how I am going to wrap up the whole flower. It's quite interesting. This is the best part of the video, or this project. You can see that like the whole shape, now how the flower is look like finally. Now it's time to stitch with a needle or a yarn in order to fix this petal. Like you can see that how I am going to cover even a single chain of the flower, like you can see. You have to cover even a single chain, otherwise if you have missed even a single chain, the whole shape of the flower is distorted. If you have any query or any ambiguity related to any point, you may ask in the comments section. And if you have any suggestion regarding any items in the product, whatever you wanted to see, so do ask in the comment section. We will reply you inshallah. And it's an honor for us to reply for your comments. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.